Hello friends, in this video I will show you fix System32 folders opening automatically at your startup in Windows 11. So very easy to fix. So first you need to type here to search, type cmd. Now right click on command prompt, click on run as administrators. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Scan now and press enter. Now wait some few minutes, this processor will be completed. If this processor will be completed, so type this second command I will give in this description box. So just copy and paste it. Now after this whole processor will be completed, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart your all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.